Rear seat installation demonstration. Pick up the 4 straps. Adjust the straps in a suitable length. Adjust the 4 straps in the same length. Connect the 2 straps together. Open the rear seat and put straps in it. Store excess straps into rear seat. Install rear seat. Connect bag and buckle. Adjust the tightness of the straps. Repeat the same steps. Store excess straps. Check if it is securely installed. Tail frame installation demonstration. Pick up the 4 straps. Adjust the straps in a suitable length. Pass the strap through the bottom of tail frame and tighten it. Repeat the same steps for the other 3 straps. Put the tail bag into the appropriate position and fasten the buckle. Open the snap fastener and tighten the strap. Close the snap fastener. Repeat the same steps for the other straps. Tighten excess straps. Check if it is securely installed. Fuel tank installation demonstration. Pick up the 4 straps. Connect the 2 straps together. Tighten the straps in a suitable place on the frame. Connect the buckle. Pass it through the bottom side of handlebar. Connect the buckle. Repeat the same steps for the other two straps. Adjust the tightness of the straps. Open the snap fastener. Tighten the straps. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 straps. Store the excess straps.